I'm 39 with a baby on the way. I worked 330 days in 21 and 307 in 22. I work 6 to 7 days a week in sales, but I'm down 65% in 23. What sales opportunities are in Tier W? How has suffering played a role in your life?
Yeah, man. So listen, don't feel so bad about 23. We are, I think, 200 grand under revenue where we were last year. We're a little off our goals. We do think we're going to ramp up in the third and fourth quarter. But these things happen. You're going to have down years. This is one of the hardest environments right now. We're definitely in the winter when it comes to the economy. The interest rates are high. People aren't wanting to spend money. The dollar is not doing, the same as it used to. The spending capacity of the dollar is not going as far as it used to. CPI is up. Inflation's out the roof. You're not failing, man. Everybody's going through this, including myself. And what you have to understand is that, there's going to be good times and bad times, and a good salesman will sell in any condition. And maybe you don't hit it out of the park every year, but I think the main purpose is to continue to develop yourself or your business or the systems in your business. You can have internal growth and just I used to tell my dad all the time, I said, Dad, I haven't made it yet, but I feel like I'm just putting bullets in the gun. I'm loading the magazine, and when it opens up, I'm just going to unload that bitch. And in a lot of ways, that's what I did. And sometimes that's what you have to do in dark times, is you just have to, cover up, take the punches, weather the storm, and then you come out and you get your licks in, or you unload that magazine. So keep your head up, keep working hard, keep selling. Know that it's going to come around, but don't quit sharpening the sword and working on who you are, because you never know when that opportunity is going to step in front of you, and you'll be glad you did. And everybody else will be tired and on the sideline feeling sorry for themselves. So push through it, and you'll do just fine.